Hey everybody, it's Mark Ruggiero here, Clark Commando 1983, and I got something really special to share with you guys here right now. This is a pre-production copy of Battles of Napoleon, Eylau 1807, Volume 1, from Sound of Drum Games and my friend Uwe. And I'm sorry, Uwe, if I mispronounce your name. Wallenstein, I believe is the last name. I'm so sorry. It's 3 in the morning here. Cancer is really messing with me right now, but I got this earlier today and I knew it was from you. And I want to be really clear to my viewers, this is a pre-production copy we're going to open here. I already know that Uwe and his crew are making some last minute improvements. I had a small part in helping with the game, just feedback and encouraging and different things. And I game founded it, paid for my copy, but Uwe was kind enough to send me this pre-production copy, and it's a really nice solid box. Not going to read the whole back. I know I could. A lot of people do that. But you're going to see the components, and like I said, they're already making some improvements on it before we get it shortly. I don't think it's going to be all that long before we get it. And it's just going to be an incredible battalion level entry, very playable game, which I guess with the input I had, if you don't like it, I'm partially to blame. So very colorful, top quality artwork, I think. And I just super excited to bring you this. Really, I literally just got this, and like I said, pre-production. I want to make sure I state that a few times. So the rule book, nice glossy paper, color throughout. Examples of play, the rules. I literally am just opening the box. If you know, the game goes for playability, but it is battalion level. Just real quick, the introduction. Oh my goodness, folding the rule book back, Russ. That's for my buddy Russ. I don't know if he watches these. Battle of Napoleon's epic game series simulates the most famous battles in Napoleon on a tactical level. The system focuses on the cat and mouse game of coordination, timing of the various formations of different arms without too much crunchy chrome. An innovative command system where players randomly draw activation cubes to determine who may activate leads to highly interactive gameplay. I want to say it should add to the solitaire ability also. The Winter Battle of 1807 will be the first volume in this series. Special rules like the possibility to launch a massive cavalry charge, snowstorms, Russian Cossacks, and French Guard add distinctive flavor to this battle. So anyways, the rule book's really nice. Wow, I'm literally just opening this, so we're sharing this experience together, and I'm going to come back to it because I'm very proud of my part in this. Oh my goodness, it looks like prettiest, oh wow. So it's got historical background, and which is helpful for somebody like me, which, I play this. Well, I'm going to play this. La Bataille, other Napoleonic games, but I don't know a lot about the history. But you have a few pages here, a couple historical notes, designer notes. I know Uwe poured his heart and soul into this project. His company has some other stuff, and I'll say it again, his company is Sound of Drum Games. Highly recommend that you look them up on the internet. Comes with this, wow, nice bag here with the wooden cubes you need inside to play. And those are for tracking, if I remember right. Oh my goodness, don't quote me. It's either morale or fatigue. But when you run out of cubes, you're done. Look at this. A player aid on a mounted material. This is for tracking your orders, your activations. I haven't seen any of this yet. Oh, Army fatigue. That's what the cubes are for. Different orders and the fatigue they cause, or whether you can charge or not. One for each side. Looks like I get one for the Russian army and one for the French army. Come on, Cancer Fingers. Let's open this up. Okay. Help with the combat, which isn't that complicated. You got these cool little tally sticks, which I'm pretty sure these are one of the things that they submitted for improvement. So we'll be getting something better than what these are for. These are for helping track, I believe, and there again, I just got this, different things when you're doing a battle. So that's what your tally sticks are for. Got, looks like 1, 2, okay. 2 order of battle charts here. Let me open up the Russian one and see if we can full color. Really pretty here. You can see the leader counters have are going to have pictures on them, and there's your different battalions, and just made for playability. You'll see the counters here in just a minute. That's for the Russians. And then the French, I'm not going to open up the whole thing, but you'll see the Russians. I'm sure I'm gonna say, because I did have a part, a small, very small part in this game. There again, Sound of Drums Games, Eylau 1807. They're on Facebook. They have a website. And I highly recommend that if you didn't go Game Found me this copy, which I did for sure. I went with the collector's item just because it's so awesome. But look at this terrain. Look at this. Hard cardboard mounted. It's hard to get much better quality than that for your player aids. Salt charge table, odds DRM, whatnot. Now, I know the game does come with, this is a pre-production copy, and I have plenty of dice, so get back from GMT weekend, I'm going to have to work on getting this to the table. But it does come with a full copy, just for your FYI, is going to come with a rule book, 2 maps, which I'll show you the maps, 8 counter sheets, actually 10 altogether, because it comes with 2 alternate counter sheets, 2 army sheets, that's the order of battles that I showed you, 2 player aid sheets, this is pre-production copy, but I believe I got, well, it might be 1 on each side. I'll have to clarify that with Uwe. It will come with 4 6-sided dice, 2 blue, 2 green, which if you've seen, they're improving that. Those are coming from Chessex. It's going to have 40 the wooden dark cubes, 42 black cubes. That's the wooden cubes. And the production, the one you're going to get will come with 2 counter trays. So there again, but here's, we're going to open up the map here in just a second. Let me do that. Now it's 2 maps, and I hope my phone probably will not do the map justice, and but it's going to come with 2 maps, and I'm just going to lay one out. It's Eylau, so it's in the winter, and there again, my camera will not do it justice. Looks this is just awesome. I don't know. Some people are gonna love it. Some people, you know, I don't know. But just it's a nice quality thick paper. It's smooth, but it is very thick and very nice quality. And I think for, hey, it's the winter time. This, I don't know, I'm getting cold just looking at this map. So you get the hills, looks like you get some buildings, little towns. Just, I don't know, I think that looks great. So, and like I said, the quality is very good quality paper. The counters, and I'm a clipper. It looks like there's going to be no need to clip counters. Here's some combat units, the battalions. Okay. Let's see if we got the, oh, yeah, there's a leader. There's the leaders with the pictures. Let's bring that up close. Let's see, we want to make it so we can, hopefully it focuses. There you go. Very nice. But pre-rounded corners. Nice thick cardboard. And oh, there's old Bonaparte himself up there in the left corner. But this is going to be just awesome. These are really colorful. I highly recommend you order this. If I knew how to put links into my videos, which I guess I need to get some education and do that, I would do it. So let's put this back. I want to pull out the rule book. I'll tell you why in just a moment. And then I'm going to end the video. I want to really thank you guys for spending this. It'll probably be another couple minutes. But here's what I wanted to share. I really appreciated this from Uwe Wallenstein Design. It's a Sound of Drum Games. If you're not familiar with them, check them out. Get this ordered. You need this game. There again, ordered through the GoFundMe. So there's a, I want to say this means a lot to me. You know, Uwe, met him online, and I'm honored that he dedicated the game to me. This is what he wrote. He said, dedication. He said, designing a war game and especially writing rules is a long and cumbersome, although joyful and exciting process. During the process, I cannot thank enough my friend Mark Ruggiero, who supported me with his passion, his insight, his experience, his positive and constructive criticism. He was the reason I went on. While developing this game, he's been in a difficult period in his life, but he's always been available if I needed his advice and input. The game is dedicated to him. He is the grognard of the old guard. Thank you, Uwe. Sorry, guys. Well, I'm not sorry. I can be emotional if I want. Wow. Just wow. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you give these guys a chance. I know we got some other Eylau games coming out, which if you're a Napoleonic fan like I am, can't never have enough. I know Uwe did a lot of homework on this, a lot of historical research. It's definitely geared to playability. I'm going to get this on the table. And I do have a couple of videos and things I need to get done. But I promise you I am going to get this onto the table and get it out. I'm happy this, again, is a pre-production copy. And I hope you enjoy this preview. I hope it motivates you to check out Sound of Drums games that they're working on. They have an Ancients game coming out. They also have a couple other projects in the work. And thank you once again, Uwe. I can't say thank you enough. I'm so happy that my little part helped bring this game, and I appreciate the dedication. Showed my wife, just really moving. It makes And I expend a lot of effort trying to bring happiness and joy and sharing our journeys, I like to say. Yeah. And this is my line of battle, last chance for victory map that I've had out for quite a while now. But anyways, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and just, wow, I'm so happy I got a chance to do this unboxing. I guess instead of looking at the map, let's look at that. And thank you, everybody that's has watched the videos and helped make my journey through this difficult period for me and my wife very the support means a lot, and I look forward to doing more. As long as I'm able, you can count on me to keep bringing you content and keeping the joy alive. Like I like to say, enjoy your journey because it's all too short. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.